Tonight, your brain might wake up before your body, and you won't even know it. You might hear explosions, see shadows, or feel your phone vibrate when it didn't. It's called sleep paralysis. You wake up, but your body refuses to move. Your brain is awake, but your muscles are still asleep. You're trapped between dream and reality. During REM sleep, your brain temporarily shuts off your muscles to stop you from acting out your dreams. Then there's something even stranger. A loud explosion as you fall asleep. No one else hears it, but to you, it sounds completely real. That falling feeling, when your body suddenly jerks. Ever felt your phone vibrate, but nothing was there? Right now, you're breathing automatically. But the moment you think about it, it suddenly feels manual. These aren't myths. These are real things your brain does. Which one have you experienced? And if you've had sleep paralysis, what did you see?